In the California real estate market, the construction of ADUs, accessory dwelling units, and home renovation projects have been increasingly popular. These projects not only offer opportunities to increase housing supply but also have the potential to enhance the property value for homeowners. Against this backdrop, understanding the renovation loan products offered by AAALendings and their application in ADU projects becomes particularly important. ADUs, or accessory dwelling units, have become a hot trend in the California housing market. Typically, these are independent residential spaces added within or on the land of an existing residence, which can be used for rental purposes or to provide living space for family members. The California government encourages the construction of ADUs to alleviate housing shortages and has established a series of construction and planning guidelines. AAALendings offers diverse loan products for housing renovations and ADU projects. These loan products are applicable to primary residences, second homes, and investment properties, offering flexible loan-to-value (LTV) ratios and credit score requirements. Key features and requirements. Approval process. The loan approval includes underwriting, project approval, and contract approval, ensuring financial and construction compliance of the project. Property types and valuation. Accepts various types of properties, including modular homes and planned unit developments, PUDs. Loan amounts are determined based on the property's valuation and renovation costs. Builder and project approval. Projects exceeding $40,000 require a complete builder review to ensure standard-compliant construction. As part of the renovation loan, ADU projects can secure funding through products offered by AAALendings. The flexibility of these loan products enables homeowners to choose the most suitable financing option based on their needs and financial situation. Whether it's expanding living space, improving housing conditions, or constructing ADUs for rental purposes, AAALendings provides appropriate solutions. ADU projects and home renovations play a significant role in the current real estate market in California. The renovation loan products from AAALendings provide solid financial support for these projects, helping owners achieve their real estate improvement and expansion goals. What's more, AAALendings understands that every homeowner's needs are unique. That's why they offer tailored solutions, whether you're enhancing your home or building a rental ADU. Visit AAALendings today and take the first step towards your property's transformation. Your dream, our commitment.